Oval and oval primitive tools. In the previous lesson, we discussed the rectangle and rectangle primitive tool. Now we're going to discuss the oval and oval primitive tools and their properties. First off, the oval tool. Oval tool allows us to draw geometric shapes, such as ovals, circles, and so on. Select the oval tool, which is located under the rectangle tool. Its keyboard shortcut is O. Simply click, drag, and leave to draw an oval. Wow, pretty simple. We've got an oval on the stage. Now, if we wish to draw a circle, hold the Shift key, and you'll draw a perfect circle. The properties of oval tool are similar to rectangle tool except for a few options, and let's discuss those. We can specify its stroke and fill color, stroke height, style, scale, hinting, cap, and join, as we specified in the rectangle tool. Then we can also specify the oval start angle, the end angle, the inner radius, and check Close Path option. If we need the path to be closed, then this option must be on. Now let's alter these values in the value box and draw an oval. Very good, we've got ourselves a pie. Now let's deselect the Close Path option and try one more shape. Now we've got an arc. Click on the Reset button to reset the value to 0. Similar to rectangle tool, we can alter the oval settings by holding the Alt key and clicking on the stage. Specify the width, height, and then check Draw from Center option. And then click on OK. Note that we've got an oval according to the value specified. This tool is very useful when drawing an eyeball of a character. Next up is the oval primitive tool. This tool, very similar to the oval tool, but it comes with a few differences. And let's take a look at those, shall we? Select the oval primitive tool from the toolbox, which is under the oval tool. Its keyboard shortcut is the letter O, but you have to click it twice. Now simply click and drag to draw a primitive oval. We've got an oval with anchor points. Using these points, we can change its shape. Next, we'll see its properties to make some changes. The properties of oval primitive tool allow us to alter its start, end angle, inner radius, close path, and reset option. This tool also has stroke, fill color, stroke height, style, scale, hinting, cap, and join, similar to the oval tool. Start and end angle allows us to specify the start and end points of an oval. Using this, we can draw pies and half circles and so on. Inner radius option allows us to set the radius within the oval. The value can be in numbers or in a percentage. Close path can be used to specify the path of the oval. Now we're going to change the values. And going to draw on the stage. Wow, we've got ourselves an arc with dotted lines. Hence, we've learned how to draw an oval, a circle, a pie, and half circle using the oval and oval primitive tools. Using this tool, try to create some bottle-like shapes.